I'm very thankful to Representative McCall, Chairman of the Foreign Affairs Committee, and Representative Jim McGowan from the Democrat side in the House who sponsored this bill, which has now been passed in the House almost unanimously with 392 votes in favor, 17 against, and 11 abstentions. And even those who have opposed the bill were not opposing the content of the bill as such, but they want to make the bill much more stronger. Otherwise, we could, I think, term it as a unanimous decision in the House. I very much appreciate all your efforts, including Representative Meeks as the ranking member of the Foreign Affairs Committee in the House. And now we have to wait for the Senate Foreign Relations to pass the resolution and then take it to the Senate floor to take it to the presidential accent. I want to thank you again to all the members who have supported this bill, and we look forward to turning it into an act with support from Senate, as well with Senator Todd Young from the Republican side and Jeff Merkley from the Democrat side, and Senator Ben Cardin is also the chairman of the Senate Foreign Relations Committee, with whom we had a very long relationship. We are hopeful that this will get through in the Senate as well for the presidential accent. This is a joint effort by many people within the Congress who have been supporting us, and I want to especially mention Todd Stein for taking the effort when he was working with Representative McGowan, and also staffers from McGowan's office, from Meek's office, from McCall's office, who have been very, very active in getting this job done in the House. And from our side, the Office of Tibet and the International Campaign for Tibet, the lobbyists, the other non-governmental organizations that have been representing Tibet in the Congress to push this bill. It has been a joint and cooperative effort from everybody that we could reach this stage. Now we'll have to wait for the Senate to pass this bill, and then with the President's accent to turn it into an act. We look forward to that, and please support this bill in the Senate. Thank you very much.